This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a highlighter, or it's called Moon Drops. Real easy. This is fractionated coconut oil. This is silica powder. I get this from all of my ingredients from tkbtrading.com. Pearl Basic, which is a mica powder, and Gold Fine, which is another mica powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it in this cup. So I need 5 mils, which is a teaspoon of coconut oil. Is 5 mils. You like my spoon? Okay, so I'm going to pour 5 mils into a teaspoon rather. Okay, and then we want to put, let's see, 2 smidgens of the silica. And then we need 1 tad of the white. These little measuring spoons I get from tkbtrading.com. They're a drop, a smidgen, a pinch, a dash, and a tad. So this is 1 tad of the white. And we need 2 dash of gold. This comes out as a really nice color. I use this all the time. And actually 2 dash make a tad, so I probably could have put a tad of each and would have been fine. Okay, and we're just going to mix this. Okay, you want to mix it really good till it dissolves. It only takes a minute. And I'm probably going to use my little funnel to pour it in, just to be on the safe side. And that's it. It's very simple. All right, let's see if we can get this in here without making a ginormous mess. And I want to pour it kind of slow so it doesn't clog up the funnel. Nope, I did it anyway. So I'm just going to put the rest in. Let's see, get most of that out. Okay, and I'm going to use one of my little stirring tools just to push that down the rest of the way so we can shake it up. And push the stopper down, put your top on. And you can shake it up a little bit more. You can see how nice the color is. I'm going to try and put some on my arm so you can kind of see what it looks like. Not to spill it. Makes a real nice gold shimmer. And then that's how I do it. Put it on and then I rub it in a little bit. So you just get the shimmer. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potion, and this is a highlight, or they call Moon Drops. It's real simple to make, and this is a really pretty color. Okay, thank you.